Tucked away in South Carnarvonshire, in the quiet village of Tremadog, where the biggest noise is the hum of traffic through the square on the main road from Carnarvon to Porthmadog, is the old market hall, built by Madog, the famous engineer. Today its role is far different. Here a group of talented men are hard at work on commissions galore from industry, local authorities and the church. Jonah Jones, sculptor, stained glass worker, leads a team whose products can be seen in all parts of Wales, indeed in the rest of the United Kingdom too, and abroad. Jonah, tell me what you've been working on.
Well, I've been engaged on a number of small domestic pieces in contrast to the bigger work that I've been on for a number of years. This block is the theme of Jacob and the angel, an old theme with me. Jacob, the first victim of self-awareness, if you like. The little figure is Jacob the morning after the night before, facing God at Peniel. The literal translation from the Hebrew of Peniel is facing God. He oblates himself.
What about the item painted there?
Well, these are conversation pieces. I call them colloquy. It's a little more familiar, if you like. Inspired partly by walking around the hills here, seeing a number of twin rocks talking to each other. They're made in metal. This one is rather more anonymous than the others.
Your colleague Laurie Cribb is engaged on a different use of stone.
Yes, Laurie Cribb worked with Eric Gill for many years and is one of our master letter cutters in the country. This is an inscription for the new reservoir in Anglesey. Not yet opened, one can't say too much about it, but it's to be opened very soon, and this is the commemorative plaque on which he's working.
What about the future? Have you any big jobs in prospect?
Yes, I have a nice job at Morfanefn, a new Roman Catholic church there. Will have windows in concreted glass. This is a new medium, using glass an inch thick, which we cut here and set in epoxy resin. It'll give the effect of ruby, amber and blues. It's a medium that's been used in the new Liverpool Cathedral, and it's nice to think that it's being used in a small country church in North Wales. I also have a stained glass window for a hospital, the General Hospital at Llandudno, and another window of the Annunciation of the Virgin at Penmachno.
Apart from all this commercial work, have you got a personal ambition, something you would like to do and not get paid for?
You mean, what would I do if you gave me a sabbatical year with pay?
Yes.
Oh, well then I've got one big thought. I'd like to develop a piece like this to some scale, say 10 feet or more high, spend a whole year on it, and erect it in association with one of the lakes of Wales, in particular Llyn or Llyn as it's now called, as a monument to the drowned communities that have made way for supplying water to England. I'd like to spend a whole year on this and really have nothing else to think about, not even money at the end of it. Whether you can manage it or not, I don't know, but I'll do my part.